from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am thrilled to be in Timberland Ridge, and I'm joined by the beautiful Lisa Daniel. She's one of the fabulous site agents with David Weekley Homes, and we're thrilled because we're in the David Weekley Homes model, but guess what? It's for sale now, which I'm super excited about. I know you're gonna sell it quickly, so thanks for having us and showing this great home.
Thank you so much for being here. I'm so glad to have you here, and I am so excited that this model home is for sale. So this is normally the sales center. This is usually where we get started when you come in and visit us. You get a view of our community map, the neighborhood map. You can see we have beautiful preserve and pond preserve home sites.
So nice. And only a few left, too.
Only 13 opportunities remaining.
I mean,
so
this is going to be sold out quickly. And reminding people, this community just opened up in January. So it hasn't even been a full year, and you're almost sold out.
I know, it's been a very, very popular community. One of the fastest selling communities that we've had here in Nocatee.
I believe it. Now look at this beautiful drop space. Lisa's gonna take us through this.
Okay, so this would normally be the garage, right?
Right, this is normally the garage, and there would usually be a door here.
Okay.
So you'd walk in from the garage and you have your drop zone.
So nice.
I have a David Weekley home too, and it's so funny that one of my very favorite things is my backpack rack.
Isn't that funny? You know what? Any life stage needs that. Trust me. I think it's terrific. And I love you have the yoga mat there. You're really showing people that's where you leave everything. Look at this beautiful room.
Oh, wow.
So this makes a great guest retreat. This home is over 2,500 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. This is one of the private little tucked away bedrooms for a guest retreat. It does have its own bath connected to the bedroom.
Oh, wow.
I like that it has its own bathroom, that it's not sharing with people or, you know, the homeowners or even other guests that come in here.
Yeah, it really is nice to either give that teenager or your guests some private space.
Now, is that a coat closet,
It
Lisa?
is a coat closet. Thank you for bringing that up. I love that David Weekley always includes a coat closet. So Florida homes don't always have coat closets, but in David Weekley homes they do.
You do. And then we'll quickly look at the 2 bedrooms up here in the front.
Yes, so 2 of the extra bedrooms are up front with their bath here, so they share this bath. Normally a bedroom, it's set up to be our quality room, so David Weekley always likes to demonstrate our quality construction and our energy efficiency, especially our 2x6 exterior walls, extra insulation that we use, and all the things that we do to make your home extra tight.
Wow.
That's something y'all are known for, and it is smart that you always have a room to show prospects when they come in exactly what you're talking about. To verbalize it kind of gets confusing sometimes.
Right.
So I love that you show it. Now look at this amazing open floor plan. Talk about this first, this space.
So I love about David Weekley Homes is that there's always flex space. So on our floor plan, this is a study. It can be closed in or left open. Like we said, this home is for sale. So we have it set up as a study, but some people use it to place a piano here. I have one buyer who has a guitar collection and they have their guitars hanging in here.
Oh, wow.
So it can be flexible to meet your lifestyle.
And it's nice because in this model home, you've got some speakers up here, the beautiful tray ceiling, and look at this, the walls. That is breathtaking what y'all have done with the walls.
Shiplap walls, I love that too. And our designers come up with such great things. I can't take any credit for how our homes are designed, but I do love the shiplap walls.
Very cool.
And here we also have the tray ceiling. So the
Wow.
tray ceiling has a lot of nice detail, that distressed look, really beautiful.
It really is though, and the ceiling is breathtaking. It really is, but it's very rich looking too. I mean, it's just, I can't get over it. The wood on top is really different.
And then the built-in cabinets too. So all of it together makes it it's kind of the elegant yet still warm, still cozy.
Oh, that's so nice.
So if you're entertaining, what's great is you could display a lot of food in this space. This could be a great area to display that. You've got plenty of cabinetry, as Lisa was pointing out. And also, this is a beautiful dining room table. But again, because this is an open floor plan, your furniture choices could either be dressed up or you could do a more casual look.
Absolutely.
And then look at this island. A massive island.
Wow.
Not only is it long, it's very wide. They only have 3 chairs behind it, but Lisa, you could easily, 5 chairs beyond these.
Easily 5 chairs.
Yeah.
It is a huge island. So yes, you have lots of options here. So if you're having a big Thanksgiving dinner or a holiday dinner, you can have your food set up at the built-in cabinets there, or here in the island, this nice large island space.
This really is, I'm glad you mentioned Thanksgiving because it's a perfect entertaining space. It really makes you want to have people in your home. So if you're raising children and you move to this community, this is going to be the home where kids are going to want to hang out and you can safely watch them. But if you're empty nesters, what a fun home for you to have parties with your neighbors.
It is a fun home, and it's great too because you can connect your indoor and your outdoor living space.
Oh, we're going to look at that because I will be honest, that was my favorite thing about this model.
It's my favorite thing
Yep,
about this
wine
model
area.
too.
Yep, did you get that, Carlin? I just want to make sure.
Yep.
And you can plug in your coffee maker over there, make it a coffee bar.
It is really flexible. You have an option too, if you build it, to put a desk there if you want that.
That's
there
nice.
as well.
Very nice. Let's go outside. And Lisa will tell us about this great space.
So really great space here. You've got your family gathering space right here. Nice high ceilings in here. You've got 11-foot ceilings in this area. Recessed lights, so a lot of extra details in this home. Beautiful windows. David Weekley is all about well-placed windows and illuminating our homes with a lot of natural light. And then of course this great outdoor living space.
That's so nice.
It really is. And also, you got to, Carling, as you come out, make sure you go around Lisa to the side because it wraps around. That's what is so unique about this home.
It does. It has a wonderful area. So you have a door right off the wine bar there that you can come right out to your lanai. You have the sliding doors that connect your the gathering space here. Indoor and outdoor space, nice and connected. Great, big, beautiful screen. Beautiful landscaping already set up here. Gorgeous outdoor kitchen. So if you really like your culinary creations, you can create them inside or outside here.
And Carlin, will it show with the camera
Let's
with
see.
the light inside just to show the depth of this home and the beauty? The angles of this home, the ceiling heights, how it just keeps going up in different stages. It really is a tremendous home. The homeowner here is going to be very happy. This floor plan, Lisa, is this a popular one? Because I would think it would have to be.
It is. It is absolutely one of our most popular floor plans. In fact, we have lots of David Weekley employees who have built this home. And
I love it.
Yeah, so it is a great home. It's perfect. It's a really livable home. And I do like the varying ceiling heights, the varying shapes of windows. That actually gives the home a lot of character.
It really does, absolutely. So now, is this the
All right.
owner's suite up here?
The owner's suite
Let's go to
is
the right.
here. So look at our beautiful
Wow.
owner's suite.
Look at the ceiling.
Yes, vaulted ceiling with a painted beam. Beautiful windows. So this is a lot of well-placed windows again. Smaller windows, larger windows, letting in a lot of natural light into your master. Into your
I
owner's
love
retreat.
this one square window right there.
Yes.
A very small but picture window, but one I could see if I was laying in bed, if it was raining, how cool. You get to watch the rain coming down. I personally would not cover that up at all because I think it's just beautiful.
I
You would see the
know.
moonlight at nighttime. Just breathtaking.
And it's high enough to let that natural light or the moon
Exactly.
in without
Would
and
show
still
the
having
wall.
privacy. Again, lots of details in this home, so beautiful trim work. These windows are high for privacy, but also for furniture placement, so you can have your nightstand and your lights there and not get in the way of your windows, but still get that natural light.
Very smart, because what do we see in most houses? The windows are so low, so your
Yep.
furniture is backed up to all the windows. So I see why the David Weekley site agents are smart people, because they're building the David Weekley home, so they're selling what they're living in, they're investing in the brand, so it really speaks to David Weekley. Let's show this, because linen closet, only because, again, I want to let people know it's first of all very high, that you could even put more racks in there, but lots of storage in this home, and again, let's look at the beautiful cabinetry.
Beautiful cabinetry, great super shower with a rain head, so it's already equipped, ready to go. Very luxurious, fall-like master bath.
Love that.
And then you have the full-length mirror, so you can actually see yourself.
Oh, hey,
I love this. It's a sitting area, so you can put your shoes
That's
on.
right.
How
And,
cool.
And then
here's
look at
her
this.
sides. Guess which side would normally be left. And then we always have that sturdy shelf in our closet.
nice.
So right now it's
Yeah.
like heavier item.
No,
it can
but
be
you're
luggage.
known for that. The luggage rack, basically. Absolutely.
cool.
And then tons of space. I want to make sure you see this
Yep.
in here. Okay, favorite part about this house, and Lisa loves this too. We already talked about it. Come around the corner.
Oh, what's coming around?
It's the laundry room.
Oh.
Right off the bedroom. And again, why is that so important, Lisa, with the buyers?
Isn't it fantastic? Well, to me, I love it because my husband and I are now, our kids are grown, and it's now just the two of us. So I love that you can put do your laundry, take it right into your closet,
Yes.
and your towels are right here at the master bath. So
Exactly. So you're not walking around to another
Let me
part
get
of the
another
house.
angle.
Oh yeah. This is, and also the way this laundry room is set up, it's always hard to see on camera, but I promise you it's a nice size laundry room. You do not feel tight, claustrophobic in it. I promise you when you come see Lisa, which I know you're going to do today, this afternoon, you've got to see this laundry room. I'm
Very
beyond
nice.
jealous. I want that laundry room.
All
I
right.
can't stand it.
I want to get this view in the background. Y'all
Can you
Yep.
see all this?
Yep.
Because I want to
Okay.
remind people again, David Weekley Homes, they have been with the Park Group, the award-winning developers of Nocatee, for many, many years now. They are part of the Nocatee family. Honestly, everybody loves you guys. You get great reviews from your prospects. So I know Timberland Ridge has been such a success out here. So 13 more opportunities. You need to see Lisa today. Tell us again the specs of this particular home.
So 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,500 square feet, gorgeous outdoor living space, beautiful Big Island granite countertops in here, granite in the master bathroom as well, and gorgeous cabinets, built-in cabinets, lots of fine details, shiplap
Absolutely.
walls, amazing trim work. So, and of course, always the quality construction
Yes.
and an energy efficient home.
And David Weekley stands behind that quality. So thank you for watching Walk Through Wednesday. You're with Carling, Lisa, and I'm Heather, and we love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.